Oh, fuck yeah. Slice it. Yeah. Cut it so thin, yeah. Faster, faster. Oh, yeah, cut it. Dice it like that and cut the veins out real good. Yeah, get them out. Yeah, get it in there, get it in there. Yeah, cut them out. Oh, put me on hot. And turn it up to high. Oil in. Ooh, oil it up. Yeah. Give me some oil. Rub me with oil. Nice and wet. Oh, yes. Put the chicken in. Mm. Just like that. Yeah, keep going. Stirring it in the video. Stirring it. Yeah. Keep going. Stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, I want you to spice it up. Oh, yeah, yeah, keep stirring it. Spice me everywhere. Yeah, and add that stuff. Oh, yeah, just like that. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. That way, yeah. The lettuce, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Cut the lettuce. Cut it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Grate it. Yeah, keep grating the cheese. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Get the rest out. It feels so good to look at that grated cheese. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Yeah, put my yellow corn tortilla on the pan. Two of them. Put four of them in places. And that. Put the chicken down. Oh, yeah. Yeah, lay it down. Yeah. Ooh, sprinkle it everywhere. Yeah, lots of lettuce. Oh, no, put it in your face.